Hi, I'm Shannon with the Shannon Jones Team at Keller Williams Realty, and we're here today at 2111 Eucalyptus Avenue in the Wrigley Historic District of Long Beach. We'll be interviewing homeowner Andrew Williams and talking to him about researching the history of a historic home and applying for the Mills Act and successfully getting approved. Let's find out more and check out the interior of this beautiful Tudor home. So I'm here with Andrew Williams, who is the homeowner of this beautiful Tudor. Thank you so much, Andrew, for letting us come into your home and spending time with us.
You're welcome. Thank you for coming.
Great. So tell me a little bit about the history of this home and then how you went about researching it.
Well, the home was built in 1928. The architect was Dave Fleming. The Wrigley district was developed by William Wrigley, who is the chewing gum magnate. Mm-hmm. And he had a foray into real estate development, and this was one of the homes that he built.
How many Tudor homes are there in this area?
There's very few. In the historic district itself, I believe this is one of three. This is the largest of the three that are here.
It's a really nice size, and the natural light from these original windows is fabulous.
Thank you. I feel very lucky to have this house.
Yeah. So tell me a little bit about your background. Did you come into the researching of this home with any special knowledge or background or skills?
Well, I'm an architect by training, so when I found the home, I was looking for a home with house that was very special and original. And when I found out about the Mills Act, I jumped on it and I took the chance to research the history of the home.
How detailed is the application, and how much research and background knowledge does it require?
I have to say, if your home is in a historic district already, the bar is a bit lower because the homes have already been registered as historic. If you're outside a historic district, you have to make a case for the inclusion of the home. The details that are required are floor plans, of course, photographs of the entire exterior of the house, site plans, and then a detailed description of the work that's going to be required.
Okay, great. So you put all that together,
Yep.
And then you applied and you got approved.
Yes. There was, I believe, 35 applications this last year, and there were 11 approved.
Got it. And so tell me a little bit about the benefits of actually getting approved for the Mills Act. What does that enable the homeowner? And then is there a commitment as well?
Yes, there is a commitment. The application process is, as I mentioned, quite lengthy, and there is a fee for the application that's relatively substantial. Once you're approved, however, you do get between a 30 and a 50% break on your property taxes. And that's in perpetuity. So,
wow.
And it goes with the home regardless of who owns the home.
So if you sold this home and someone else bought it, then they would benefit from the research and time and effort that you did to secure the Mills Act.
Correct. And then also, along with that, are the projects that we propose to do on the home. And this is to make sure the home retains its historic integrity. And I submitted 6 projects for the home. Many of those projects I would have done anyway on the house. So things such as replacing the windows, replacing some wood trim, other things in the home I would have done already. And those requirements for completion go with the home as well.
Well, thank you so much, Andrew, for your time.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thanks.